This is the Automotive Repair Podcast Network.
Hey everybody, Carm Capriato, good to see you, my friend. We have a couple of really big announcements that we're ready to roll out. Number one, we're changing our brand from the Aftermarket Radio Network, ARN, to the Automotive Repair Podcast Network. New website, a lot of neat new stuff going on with that, the Automotive Repair Podcast Network. And as we launch that, we are launching the Ultimate Playlist app. Oh yeah, all the shows in the Automotive Repair Podcast Network are all available in an app for your smartphone. That's the coolest thing ever. We've been working on it for a year. We're ready to launch and announce it. I think you're going to have a blast. The reason that I'm doing this video is to make these two major announcements. First of all, we couldn't do this without your support. 10 years strong, creating great episodic education for the industry and our partners. And I'll show a little list of who all of our great partners are. If it wasn't for our partner sponsors, we wouldn't be doing this. You'll see QR codes here on the video. We have links on our website, automotiverepairpodcastnetwork.com, and we have an apps page where you can just click. It'll go right to Google or Apple, whichever phone that is that you have. So here I am with my phone, and I'm going to show you. There's the icon for the app, our brand new cool little logo. I just opened it up. I see the recently played episodes. Let me just scroll by them with my finger. And then there's the new episodes that have come out, the last 6 new episodes. And so you're always looking at current stuff. To all the great shows on the Automotive Repair Podcast Network, ARPN includes mine, my 2 shows, remarkableresults.biz, Hunt Demarest, Business by the Numbers, Matt Fonslow, Diagnosing the Aftermarket A to Z, Kim and Brian Walker, the Auto Repair Marketing Podcast, Craig O'Neill, Speak Up, it's all about communications, and of course, Chris Cotton and the Weekly Blitz. They're all here. So as I show you all the latest, you'll see all the different podcasters and all the great episodes, and then trending, what people are listening to. Did I mention that you can also watch the video while you're here on our app? Let's just do one. We'll go to, for example, this one here, Walking the Talk, Why Auto Coaches Are Buying Shops Again. It asks if we want to play the video or play the audio. So let me just play the audio. And I will stop it. I won't go too far with it. And what you can see is you've got your timeline. We can add this to a playlist. I'll cover the playlist in a sec, but you can also play the video right here if you choose to actually watch the video. I'll play that. I'll do the play button for the video here in a sec, but I also want to show you that just above the timeline, there is a share button. We've all gotten used to what share buttons look like, and you could open it up and pick message. You can pick email, however you want to send this particular link to a friend, or even send it to yourself because you want to record something with it. There's also the download button right next to the share button, and that puts you in a great position. If you don't have Wi-Fi or internet wherever you may be, the beauty of this is that you can call these up in your download folder, and I'll show you that folder here in a sec, and listen to any podcast that you downloaded. Or you have a heart, and the heart there puts it into a favorite bucket. Let me just do play video. I will do a quick pause on that so you can actually see that, which is really the coolest. Now let's get out of this and go back to all the shows. And there are all the shows in the network. You can add them or not add them to your favorite listing. Let me show you the really great power of finding out the details behind every show. In this particular case, let's just hit Matt. It brings up Matt, and we can see all the episodes here, and I'm going to scroll through all of Matt's episodes. You can see if you've listened, how far you've listened. We can click over to the sponsor page, and we can see the 2 sponsors that are part of Matt. Let me go up to mine, Remarkable Results. Let's look at our sponsors: Napa Auto Care, Napa Tracks, Today's Class, Kukui, and Pit Crew Loyalty. Great partners there. And you can see all of my episodes. All of those features are with all of these shows. There's a search button at the bottom. Let me hit the search button. Let me type in the word leadership. and all the episodes that would have leadership in it, all the shows that would also have leadership, and you could call them up and put them in a favorite folder of yours. I'm going to hit backspace, and now I'm going to go to the library. It's really got some great stuff in the library. So all of these playlists that I have here, service advisor, leadership, financial, and I keep scrolling up, coaching. I've created those myself. I did it for this particular demonstration, but you can create this. So I'm going to click on Succession, and there's 2 episodes on Succession that I kind of fell in love with, and I would like to have at my fingertips and have that right away. Also, I could do the plus button at the top, give my playlist a new name and start a brand new playlist, or I can go to my downloads button. If you look up on top, these are the downloads that I want to be able to listen to when I have no internet access. So I've got those at my fingertips also. So many great and powerful features. I will now click on the top, my name and my picture up at top, and you can get a chance to link to the new Automotive Repair Podcast website. And as you can see, click the free exclusive app, ARPN, and now you've got the button that goes directly to the App Store or Google Play, and if not, QR codes that do the same thing. So we're making the QR codes and the links available just about any place we will post this, so that you can get this app downloaded and really have this ultimate playlist, this episodic education for automotive service professionals. Our passion is to bring this business acumen to advance the service industry. We thank all of our great friends that continue to support us in so many ways, and all the conferences that we go to and the speeches that I'm giving on the rise of the specialist. We sure appreciate all that. So we've worked hard. It's been a labor of love for over a year to pull this entire app together just for you. We sure hope you enjoy it. And until next time, thanks.
This is the Automotive Repair Podcast Network.